Are you getting your belly wet again?
Because the water's not high enough.
Well, you better go get some more water. You better go fill your bucket again. I think it's...
Come on then. Oh, it's heavy. You are super strong. You can carry all that water.
Now time to put the bowl down.
Put the bowl down, Matt. Put it on the floor, Matt. Whoopsie, it's so heavy. Well done. Okay, I think that's enough for Matt to play in now.
We're playing it.
Yeah.
Now what have I got in there?
Is that what you're doing? You lying in it? You're crazy, it's cold. Now, can you get away? Because Matt wants to get his hands in there.
The point is for you to play with each other. Each grab a toy and then come and play with me. No, Zach. No, no, no. Come on, bring.
This is the first time they've done it. What are you doing? You cleaning the cutlery for us already? What have you got there? Do you have a spoon and a fork? Morris, could you move?
The boy.
There goes Morris. That's Matt!